Hi there, I'm Chef Taylor again here at the lounge, DeLille Cellars. Today we're going to be going through our Farro Risotto, one of the items we got on our Valentine's prix menu. We're going to keep running it. It's got some great feedback and hope you guys come in and try it. Butter and maitake mushrooms, garlic shallot, lacinato kale, Farro, a bit of wine, vegetable stock, and like all good risottos, healthy amount of butter. Just get all that liquid absorbed. Healthy amount of Parmesan cheese. Throw a little sherry vinegar in, a couple herbs. All right, let's plate. Got a parsnip and truffle puree here. Finish it up with some walnuts, a little bit of the cranberry and thyme agrodolce. And finally, a bit of micro radish and micro bull's blood beets. And there we have it. Our Farro Risotto. Come in, give it a try, let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.